This website you are seeing was built on this phone. No laptop, no coding, just a phone and a free app. And what we are building today is not just a practice project. It is the kind of website that real businesses actually pay people to make, a business landing page. By the end of this video, we will have a real live website that anyone can open from anywhere in the world. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, kindly support our channel by purchasing our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's go. First, let me explain what we are actually building in the simplest way possible. Imagine you have a small business. You clean houses, you cook food, you cut hair, whatever it is. The problem is, people can't find you. They don't know what you offer. They don't know how to contact you. A landing page fixes all three of these problems. It is basically your business on the internet. One page, simple, clean, and it does three things. One, it tells people what you do. Right at the top of the page, big clear text. This is called the hero section. The moment someone lands on your page, they should know in 2 seconds what you are about. 2, it shows what you offer. A few cards or boxes, each explaining one of your services. Short and easy to scan because nobody reads a wall of text on a website. 3, it gives them a way to reach you. A contact form at the bottom, a button they can tap, maybe a WhatsApp button. If people can't contact you, the whole thing is pointless. That's a landing page. Those 3 things, nothing complicated about it. Structure, styling, behavior. 3 files, that's a website. And the good news is that Claude is going to write all 3 for us. Here is how we are approaching this differently today. We are not just building a random demo. We are treating this like a real job. We have a client. The client is a cleaning company called Cheese Sparkles. They clean homes and offices. They've been running on WhatsApp and word of mouth, and now they want a proper website. Here is the brief they gave us. Business name, Cheese Sparkles Cleaning Services, what they do, home and office cleaning, who they serve, busy families and small offices, what they want, people to request a free quote, WhatsApp number, their vibe, clean, fresh, trustworthy, colors, blues and greens. The brief is actually the most important thing in the video, more important than any code, because the clearer you are about what you want, the better the website you get. Vague instructions get you a vague website. Specific instructions get you something that actually looks like it was made for that business. Keep that in mind. Now we need 3 tools for this. We need GitHub. This is where your project files are stored. Think of it like Google Drive but for code. It keeps everything safe and organized. 2, we need claudecode. This is the app that actually writes the code. You describe what you want in plain English and it builds it. 3, we need Vessel. This is what makes the website go live. It takes your files from GitHub and pushes them into a real web address. The order never changes. GitHub stores it, Claude builds it, and Vessel publishes it. Now let's start. Open your browser and go to github.com, or you can simply download the app from Play Store or App Store. If you don't have an account, make one now. It is free and takes less than 2 minutes. Now I'll be using the GitHub app. Now tap the plus icon at the top right, then tap on new repository. A repository is basically a folder for your project. We need to name it. So I'll just name it Cheese Sparkles. Skip the description if you want. Tap next. Choose public. That means anyone can see your code. That's fine for what we are building. Tick the box that says add a readme file. Why do we need to tick it? An empty repository can sometimes cause connection issues with other tools. Adding a readme puts one file in there so everything works smoothly. Just tick it. Now tap on create at the top. Done. Your folder is created. Now leave this tab, we'll come back to it later. Let's head to Claude code. Tap on Claude. Tap on the icon at the top left. Then tap on code. Tap on new session. Now we need to add the repository we just created. Tap on this icon. Then select Cheese Sparkles. Claude can now read your folders and write files into it. Now we tell it what to build. This is the most important step. The prompt is the instructions you give Claude. A bad prompt sounds like this: build me a website for a cleaning company. You'll get something, but it will be generic, forgettable, looks like every other AI website. A good prompt tells Claude 4 things. 1. Who the business is, name, what they do, who their customers are. 2. What sections you want, in order from top to bottom. 3. How it should feel and look, the colors, mood, and style. 4. The technical rules, which is use plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. No complicated tools because we are on a phone. And the simpler the tech, the easier it is to publish. Now, get your prompt from Claude. You can describe what you want to Claude, and Claude will give you a prompt. Paste it. Now, this is my prompt. This is my prompt. You can see the business details, the sections I want. You can see the style, the technical rules. So that is it. I'll just hit the send button and wait for it to build. While it is building, look at what it is doing. It is creating the index.html, which is the structure, then style.css, which is the styling, then script.js, which is the behavior. Those 3 files we talked about at the start. Now just wait for it to complete what it is doing. You can see the index.html, you can see the style.css, it is creating the script.js. So Claude is done building. Let's take a quick look at what it built. You can see the index.html, the style, the CSS, and the JavaScript. Look at it, the file and the row. Now once it's done, just tap on this icon at the bottom. This icon, it will take you to GitHub. Scroll up, then tap on merge. Merge. We have successfully merged it. Now your files are safely stored, not just on your phone. Anywhere you can open GitHub, your files are stored on GitHub. The last step is making it actually live on the internet. Now open your browser, then go to vessel.com. When you sign up, use the continue with GitHub button, not email. This connects them automatically so Vessel can already see your files. Tap on the plus icon at the top, then tap on project. Now you can see the repository. Import it. Just tap on import. This screen has a lot of settings on it. Do not touch any of them. Why? Because those settings are for websites that need special tools to run. Ours is plain HTML. The browser already understands it. There is nothing to set up. Just tap deploy. Hold on a little bit. And that is it. That's a real website on a real address. Tap on it. You can send the link to anyone right now and it opens on their phone, their laptop, and anywhere. And here's the best part. From now on, every time you push a change to GitHub, the website updates automatically. You never come back to Vessel again. Now here is our landing page. You can see the hero section. We can toggle on the navigation bar to see the services, about, and contacts. Get a free quote is like an estimate. You fill your details, where you want to clean, and they will get back to you with an estimate. And lastly is the WhatsApp button. When clicked, it takes you straight to the organization's official WhatsApp DM. Now let's go back. So that's how to build a business landing page using claudecode on mobile. I hope this video has been really helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comments as a team member will be available to answer them. Like and subscribe to our channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.